Hi everyone, nandito na naman po ako. Mag-deliver sa mensahe nyo po. Ayun, tumalon na. Yan ang message nyo po. Yan at ang kunin natin. Okay, yung message for today. Gusto ko talaga yung braha na tumatalon kasi ibig sabihin po yan talaga ang mensahe na para talaga sa inyo. Anyway, your message for today, instead of pushing yourself so hard, stop, breathe, and re-evaluate. You are doing enough, even if it doesn't feel like it. Don't wear yourself out to the point of exhaustion. It is not worth it. Balance your time more wisely. O, ayan. Yung sinasabi po dyan na na huwag nyo yung ipupush yung sa sarili nyo, na so much na yung pinupush mo na you can't breathe anymore, you feel like you don't wanna do anything anymore. In short, you're giving up. So, sabi po dito po, i-evaluate nyo lang po because you are in the right path naman po, okay? Kasi, pag nai-exhaust na po, pagod na kayo, hindi nyo na kaya, yan. Ibig sabihin, gawin nyo ang, tanungin mo sa puso mo, pakiramdaman sa puso mo, kahit daw pagod po ikaw, sige, hala ka lang na go with the flow pa rin kayo, okay? Help find your balance also sa sarili nyo po, okay? Sa oras, well-being, time alone, whatever is that to you. Okay? I hope someone can resonate this message, and I will see you in my next reading. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye for now.